How to sign up or log into OKX Wallet app. If you want to sign up or either also log into the OKX crypto wallet application, it's actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and then first of all launch the OKX crypto wallet app, and this is the interface that you will be able to see. Now what you have to do is, if you don't have an account, you can tap on the sign up button that you can find here, where you can choose your country of residence here, and once you select your country of residence, you should be able to go ahead and then basically agree to the terms and conditions, follow up with the email address, the phone number, and then basically create your account. And if you already have an account, then you can tap on login and you can enter your phone number or even your email or sub account, or you can also directly continue with your Google or Telegram account if you had linked using either of those. So if you have, then simply select that, and then after that you will be successfully logged into your OKX wallet account. So I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.